BluntCut MetalWorks, February 15, 2022. This is Becut at 62 Rockwell, sharpened with an edge pro at 15 degrees psi, and it's a little convex, so the thickness of the head edge actually, because it's convex and not really, but again, for the test it doesn't really matter. Anyway, for initial edge, and just breathe it. It's EDC edge, even though it's more outdoor, more heavy duty. But anyway, just thick like heck. It's not going to do anything. Just with some, if you will, the bamboo or something, easy. Got your thin leg numb right there. So the carbon content of this Becut is only like 0.72%. So max hardness can get about 63 Rockwell, but so this thing, I would like to be 63, but maybe the next time I do it. But anyway, it's only 62. But again, this is for a little extra plasticity, or ductility would be good. Because if you were going to stand on it or do something crazy thing with it. And the primary test again is whittle for the edge. It should be strong enough to whittle elk antler tips here. I don't expect, even though the carbide volume is low, it's a pretty good amount. Go and take a look at it. I will put the composition. And so, this steel, grab the, and really well, what I forgot to do that, so that this quick test anyway. And I don't like the idea of my finger get there too close. And so the knife we're using, of course this is not a hunting knife, but then we're going to do bone contact, and I did some bone contact here. Right? Let's do a quick check before I do. This is perpendicular chop, so there shouldn't have anything happen to it. Right? So I'm going to do tried to do last time I did other test, too much of the prying action, or because it break off. Maybe I do like a feather this time. Swashing this knife is too heavy, so they go to the marrow, way too more than just feathering. So, but anyway. So you can see it breaking off. And it looks good right now. I was really careful so they didn't really, you can see the cut, and so the edge didn't accident when it's fractured for the end. That's how the edge pried. So, and that's how it failed the chopping test for other blade, for example. It's fine. So I didn't do the all-out chop. So now I'm looking at something. I'm going to pick a spot here. And this is already passed both primary tests. I mean, again, this is the key test, antler tips. Now, jumping bone is a bonus because, again, this is 15 degrees per side. And this is the nail, 40D nail. And I'm going to whittle it. I'm looking for spots here. Well, I don't want to compound too many cuts, so that in case I add damage. So if I see if initially the edge might ripple or roll, but if you keep pushing it, the wind beyond, then it will could crush or snap off. If it's hesitate too much, I will take a close-up picture. There's something there. Okay. You can see that little hesitation. Okay, let me cut a little bigger. That one did a jump. Actually, I can't see anything. Whether it would worthwhile for me to take a close-up or not. Can't see too well. But I think it's cutting the paper pretty well though. There's something right there. Alright, I'll take a close-up pic. Well, I thought I didn't need to take a close-up pic, but here is the edge of the Becut after whittling the nail. And these are deformation, and of course some of the metal of the nail is still stuck on here. And compared to NeoLox, which is have a lot more deformation, seem to be somehow more ductile at 63 Rockwell. And MetalWorks is have quite a bit smaller deformation. Thanks for watching.